Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. It's Thursday morning. Thunderous Thursday. Thirsty Thursday? Thinking Thursday. Yeah, we'll try it. Okay, yesterday was Valentine's Day. I hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day. I prepared one of Robin's favorites, shrimp scampi over linguine. Perfection. Yeah. She absolutely loved it. I think I saw her licking the bowl. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding. She didn't, but she wanted to. So, I did my job. So, tonight, it's a 3-part meal. City chicken. This is actually my recipe. This is a dish that I grew up with. Absolutely loved when growing up. It's a pork dish, besides being called city chicken. It's kind of a Midwest thing. And I'm doing Parmesan roasted potatoes. And for the veggie, stir-fried spinach with garlic and Parmesan. So 2 dishes with Parmesan. Cool. All right, let's get to it. Got the hardware. Wok is for the spinach. Pork tenderloin, there's the skewers for the city chicken. Breadcrumbs, olive oil, kosher salt, black pepper, using baby reds for the potatoes. There's the Parmesan, some butter involved, 1 form of garlic. This is a jar of minced garlic I purchased. I actually used it for my garlic session. We got some garlic powder also involved in one of these. Red onion, whole garlic for the spinach. And let's see, we got garlic powder again, onion powder, smoked paprika, cumin, an Italian herb blend, which is actually for the potatoes. I'm going to put a little bit of ginger in with the spinach. And there's the spinach. There's actually 2 bags. I'm just only showing 1. So there's a lot going on, but not really. It's actually kind of an easy meal. But I'm looking forward to it. It's a complete meal. Again, this should be fun. Should be tasty. I'm always looking for new veggie dishes, so this one actually stood out. I love working with baby spinach. I'll watch it going, hey, I'm here, blah, do basically nothing. So I'll get the shrimp scampi recipe up online and for you all to enjoy. And weather's coming, folks. At least here in Northern California, the weather's coming. Now, I also want to tell you that through the weekend, starting tomorrow, Robin and I are headed up to Reno for our grandson Roman's first birthday. Yeah. Snow in the mountains. My poor car. Not gonna like this, but we're going. We already have some food plans while we're up there. Obviously, I'm not cooking, so yeah, it should be fun. I look forward to seeing not only Roman, my 1-year-old grandson, but seeing Emmett, my other and older grandson, and seeing my kid. Serena, I love you. So, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.